People running after tankers, fighting for a drop of water. These scenes from Delhi is not something one expects from the capital of an emerging economy like India. Amid a heat wave, with temperatures nearing 50 degrees Celsius, the poor are desperately chasing water, standing in long lines with buckets and bottles, hoping to get just enough for their basic needs. People are now venting their frustrations on social media. But how did we end up in this dire situation? Let me decode Delhi water crisis for you. India's capital city needs about 1300 million gallons of water daily, but can only supply around 1000. The water mainly comes from the Yamuna River and neighbouring states like Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Lately, production has gone down from 1002 million gallons on June 6 to 939 million gallons on June 13. That's a big drop. One major issue is over-extraction of groundwater. Over the years, the Delhi Jal Board, which is the water authority, has been pumping more groundwater. This extraction went from 86 million gallons in 2020 to about 135 million gallons in 2024. Overusing groundwater like this leads to poor water quality, lowers the water table, and threatens future supplies. Water pollution is another huge problem in Delhi. High ammonia levels in the Yamuna River often cause water production at treatment plants to drop. Untreated industrial waste dumped into the river makes it even worse. Despite efforts by the pollution control boards, the Yamuna remains heavily polluted. Climate change is also playing a big role. Rising temperatures and irregular rainfall make water supply more unpredictable. Plus, ineffective water management by the government lead to political fights and accusations of inefficiency. Now, many areas in Delhi only get water once a day due to rationing. And of course, politics complicates everything. Haryana and Delhi often clash over water sharing, leading to legal battles and Supreme Court interventions. Recently, the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi asked the BJP governments in Haryana and Himachal Pradesh to release some excess water. The latter agreed to release it on one day and then made a U-turn on the very next, saying it doesn't have surplus water. These disputes, especially over the Yamuna River, are major roadblocks. This year's water crisis in Delhi should be a lesson for all. Water conservation and better management of this precious resource is crucial. The government has started fining those who waste water and have started disconnecting illegal connections. But better infrastructure like more pipelines and water connections are also necessary. Industries and households can also make a big difference by doing their part in conservation. By working together on this issue, Delhi can move towards easing its chronic water shortages and ensuring a more reliable supply for everyone. WION decodes complex issues in simple manner. What do you want us to decode next? Let me know in the comments.